Hello and welcome to the official Stream to Your Car / Elite CarBox YouTube channel. In today's video, we just have an amazing announcement that we wanted to make. If you have an Elite CarBox 4.0 Pro, it actually has a BV Pro version. Everybody who has a Pro version, at the time when you purchased it, maybe you bought it, let's just say you bought it maybe about a month or two ago, and the website probably said 1-year warranty. 1-year warranty is a very common thing with a lot of our competitors in this market. Now, the problem with the warranty is a lot of these over 90% of the competitors we see out there are all companies based out of China, and we pride ourselves on being a United States-based company. We're located right here in New Jersey, and the reason why that's so important is, let's just say you buy one of these devices. Remember, these devices go through a lot of abuse. You leave them in your car. Your cars get hot, they get cold in the winters. When in the summer times, like the temperatures get crazy inside your vehicles. These things you put through so much abuse. And if you ever have to put in a warranty claim, you don't want to be dealing with some company that's based out of China where you're going to have to ship your device to China and pay a small fortune to get it shipped over there and then wait forever for it to arrive over there, then wait for them to fix the device, and then wait a very long time for them to send it back and you to get it, okay? We're right here in the United States. We are focused on all the vehicles that are available here in the United States. And if you ever did have to submit a warranty claim or anything like that, you're just sending your device to an address right here in the United States. And it's a very quick and easy process. So now with the Elite CarBox 4.0 Pro, we are going to be including an 18-month warranty. Now, some of our other competitors that offer an extended warranty, they're charging you extra money. This is something like we're so proud of this product. We really believe in this product, and we're backing this product with an 18-month warranty at no additional costs. So if you bought the Pro version a couple months back and the website said there was only a 12-month warranty or 1-year warranty, well, you have an 18-month warranty on the Pro from the date you purchased it, okay? So we are so excited about this Elite CarBox 4.0 Pro. This new Pro device has opened up new possibilities. For example, Hulu functions the way you want it to. Yeah, Hulu by TV, regular Hulu videos. Hulu works exactly the way you want it to work. DirecTV on most of our competitors' products, we've tested it. DirecTV just normally looks like crap. It doesn't display properly in your vehicle screen. With the new Pro, we've released how-to videos. We actually, on the Pro, we show you guys how you can adjust the way it fits on your screen. Every vehicle has different size screen, so it's impossible to have like a one-size-fits-all. So with the new Pro, you have more customization options where we're actually showing you how you can actually adjust the DirecTV app to fit so that it looks better in your vehicle. There's constantly new things that are, new announcements that are being released on the new Pro version of the Elite CarBox. These are things that were never really possible before. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, 18-month warranty now on the Pro version of the Elite CarBox 4.0. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.